we talk about zone two, typically we are looking at a system that is made of five zones, in which the first two, one and two, are what we consider low intensity zones. And the way we distinguish these from higher intensity work in endurance exercise typically could be through a lactate test, in which, for example, we measure lactate at different intensities. And as soon as we see that there is a slight change in lactate, we tend to assign that boundary as this boundary between the low intensity and, let's say, the moderate intensity type of training. And that is the higher end of the zone just below this intensity is what we call zone two. We can also think of that, again, in endurance exercise as the time or the zone in which basically we start to switch from consuming predominantly fat to predominantly carbs as we exercise. So what we burn is linked to the intensity of exercise. At very low intensity, we predominantly burn fat. At very high intensity, we predominantly burn carbs. And this point in which we happen to switch between the two is quite aligned to this first threshold, which is the top end of zone two.